Hello everyone, today we are going to start Zoology Animal Kingdom class 11. So let's start it. Animal Kingdom. Okay. So animals of two types, that is unicellular or multicellular. And then what is the meaning of multicellular? Multicellular means many cells. Okay. As we know, unicellular works with only one cells and multicellular organisms divides their work as the different functions of the different organ systems. For example, digestive system digests the digestion perform the function of digestion, and then respiratory system perform the process of respiration. Okay, so what in the multicellular happens? There is a division of labor. Okay, division of labor, all the works are divided among different systems. Okay, as we know, two types of three modes of nutrition, like autotrophic nutrition, heterotrophic, and holozoic nutrition. Autotrophic means they depend on, in earlier I do the revision one, okay, of earlier things. Okay, autotrophic means synthesize their own food, then heterotrophic means depend on the other food or for the food, and then holozoic means is the complex process that takes first ingestion and then all the digestion. Okay, animal shows what? Locomotion shows, growth shows, reproduction shows, many other things shows. Okay, you can ever imagine that how can we divide the different animals? Means in our earth many animals are living. Okay, not a so how can we recognize, how can ever such a set of the animals, that which animals are of which types, what are the characteristics of some animals have a specific characteristics that are same in the some particular animals, but not the all animals have the same characteristics, others have different characteristics. So for understanding the whole organism process, we need the some series or some collection that we can recognize. For this, scientists make the some systematic rules for understanding the animals, for studying the animals, about them and about their characteristics. So for this, we have to make the subsets, that is kingdom Animalia. In the earlier classes we discussed that is Animalia, the division, that is phylum, subkingdom, kingdom, these all types of in class 9th. Okay, now in class 11th we study about the kingdom Animalia, which is also known as the metazoa. Okay, also known as the metazoa. Okay, and in that there is a division also, that is subkingdom parazoa and subkingdom eumetazoa. Parazoa means primitive metazoa. Okay, primitive means old version. Okay, and in this metazoa the phylum that come, that is Porifera phylum, and then other subkingdom is eumetazoa, that is advanced metazoa, and in this subkingdom the phylum comes, that is phylum Coelenterata, phylum Ctenophora, phylum Platyhelminthes, phylum Eschyhelminthes, phylum Annelida, phylum Arthropoda, phylum Mollusca, phylum Echinodermata, phylum Hemichordata, phylum Chordata. Please don't be too confused at what are the names. At the time you learn this. Okay, this is a very easy. If you understand, then it will be a very easy for you. Okay, for you all. Okay, so for this we need why we have a divide this type of animals like in these all parts. Okay, to understand. Okay, to classify the animals. Okay, why classification required? For better understanding of the characteristics of animals and understanding their systemic position. For this, the basis of classifications are divided as a many parts, like level of organization, symmetry. On the basis of this, how can we classify the animals? On the basis of the many types, basically 7 types, that is level of organization, symmetry, then germ layer, then coelom, then segmentation, and then notochord. Okay, these all are the things. Okay, first come on the level of organization. Okay, first basis of classification, that is level of organization. Level of organization means arrangement of animals, and in this level of organization first comes cellular level of organization. Then what is the cellular level of organization? Animals in which only and only the cells are present and loosely arranged, not forming a tissue, that is called the cellular level of organization, okay, and the example is phylum Porifera. Then come the tissue level of organization, okay, animal where similar cells performing a particular work like digestion, reproduction, etc. are present together close, forming a tissue, that forms a tissue, for example Colentrata and Ctenophora. Then come organ level of organization, animal where different tissue organizes, means comes together to form an organ to perform a specific function, and its example is Platyhelminthes. Then organ system level of organization, in which where various organs are arranged to form an organ system, okay, that is called Eschscholthelminthes. From Eschscholthelminthes to Chordata. What are the Eschscholthelminthes? Then after Eschscholthelminthes, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, Hemichordata and Chordata. These comes under which? Under organ system level of organization. Now the second basis of classification, symmetry. Okay students, symmetry. Come on, the symmetry. Animals can be categorized on the basis of their symmetry also, okay. So what is symmetry? Symmetry means some division, type of a division. You have studied in mathematics in class 7th, I think. There is a symmetry. There is a symmetry, some cross line have divided, and you have to divide the parts into 2 parts, 3 parts and many parts. That is called symmetry. So symmetry of also 3 types, that is asymmetrical, radially symmetrical and bilaterally symmetrical. What is asymmetrical? So asymmetrical is a situation when any one plane passing through cannot divide the body of animals into equal halves. वो डिवाइड नहीं कर सकता है, मतलब वो इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड नहीं कर रहा है, डिवाइड तो करे लेकिन इक्वल हाफ्स में डिवाइड होना चाहिए, एंड वो नहीं डिवाइड कर पा रहा है, तो वो क्या हो जाएगा? एसिमेट्रिकल हो जाएगा. और इसका एग्जाम्पल है पॉरीफेरा, मोस्टली पॉरीफेरा. रिमेंबर दिस, मोस्टली पॉरीफेरा, नॉट ऑल द पॉरीफेरा, मोस्टली पॉरीफेरा. That is also known as sponges. Okay. Now secondly, radially symmetrical. When more than one plane passing through the central axis divides the body of animals in 2 equal halves, that is called radially symmetrical. Not only 2, into any halves. Okay. For examples are Colentrata, then Ctenophora and Echinodermata adult. Means you have confused it, adult. Okay. What is adult? Means the situation. If I say the gills are present in us, is it true? No, it's not true. If I say we have a spinal cord, we have not a spinal cord, but it is not true. We have a spinal cord ना. So there is a stages of life. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि जो हमारे पास अभी है वो हमारे मीन्स हमारे एम्ब्रियोनिक स्टेज में भी होगा, ज़रूरी नहीं है. और जो हमारे एम्ब्रियोनिक स्टेज में था वो ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हमारे एडल्ट स्टेज में हो. सिमिलरली थिंग्स ये भी है कि एकाइनोडोमेटा एडल्ट में ये चीज़ प्रेजेंट होती है रेडियल सिमेट्रिकल, लेकिन वहीं अगर हम एकाइनोडोमेटा लार्वा की बात करें तो वहाँ पे बायलेटरल सिमेट्रिकल आता है. आई विल टेल यू व्हाट इज बायलेटरल सिमेट्रिकल. सो नाउ डिस्कस बायलेटरल सिमेट्रिकल. बायलेटरल सिमेट्रिकल मीन्स व्हेन only one plane passing through the central axis and divides the body of animal into 2 equal halves. Okay, in 2 halves. Okay, लाइक आई एम ए एनिमल. ओके, मीन्स वी ऑल आर एनिमल्स. अगर हमें बीच से डिवाइड कर देगा तो वी हैव अ बायलेटरिकल सिमेट्रिकल. ओके, 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड हो जाएंगे. सो द एग्जाम्पल्स आर प्लेटीहेल्मिन्थेस टिल प्लेटीहेल्मिन्थेस टू Chordata, that is Platyhelminthes, Eschscholthelminthes, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata larval stage. Okay, then Hemichordata and then Chordata. Now come on this things, that is germ layer. What is germ layer? Little bit let's discuss. Okay, do you know sperm and ova fuses forms the zygote, then the zygote divided and 2 cells formed, then 4 cells, then continue to division and a stage called that is gastrula formed. Okay, and that's gastrula we will discuss here. Okay, in that germ layer 2 types of germ layer are available, that is diploblastic and triploblastic. In diploblastic only 2 germ layer are present. Okay, that is ectoderm and endoderm, and in the middle part the non-cellular layer called mesogelia present. Okay, and its examples are Colentrata and Ctenophora. Then triploblastic means triploblastic animals, that is of 3 layers present, that is ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm, and here not any mesogelia present, and its examples are Platyhelminthes, Escherichia, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, Hemichordata, Chordata. Okay. Now, come on the coelom. Okay, coelom. Coelom is defined as body cavity which is surrounded by mesoderm on the both the side. And there is a 3 types of coelom. Okay, eucoelomate, then acoelomate, and then pseudocoelomate. Eucoelomates, in which the body is surrounded by mesoderm on the both side. Okay, that is called the by splitting of the and this mesoderm is formed by the splitting of the mesoderm. See, this coelom is formed, and examples are Annelida to Chordata. And then second is come acoelomate. Acoelomate means no coelom is present, and examples are Porifera, Colentrata, and Ctenophora. Then pseudocoelomate, in which the ectoderm and endoderm present, and mesoderm starts splitting and complete as a pouches form. Okay, not in a particle, scattered pouches form in the between the ectoderm and endoderm, and its example only is Escherichia. Okay, now the next is segmentation, also known as metamerism. Okay, metameric segmentation called as metamerism. It is defined as the external और internal both segmentation with serial repetition. मतलब किसी भी organ के बीच में किसी चीज़ का internal में जो कुछ sequence है वो repeated form में हो रहा है. मतलब किसी organ में some organs में जो है एक serial type का repetition होता रहता है. For example, in earthworm you can see or cockroach you can see the lining line given there. That is called the repetition of some lining. That is called what? That is called segmentation, and it is present in Annelida, Arthropoda, and only in Chordata. Then comes notochord. What is notochord? Notochord is a rod-like structure. Okay, rod-like structure. I'll tell you how is it. My diagram is not too good, so please don't focus on that. Like this only. This part is called as ventral. This part is called ventral, and this part is called dorsal. Okay, this part is called dorsal. Okay, hope you understand. This is a rod-like structure, and it is a present in a embryonic stage. Okay, this is the embryonic stage, and which I tell you recently, and its origin starts with mesodermal. Okay, and its examples are Porifera to Echinodermata and the Chordata, and Hemichordata is a connecting links. Okay, in which connecting links. Okay, hope you will this will be understand. This is a some table form में ये learn करने के लिए बहुत easy होगा आपके लिए. थोड़ा complicated है. अगर आप इसको if you make the table of that and you learn that is will be make them easy. It's little bit complicated, but it's also be too easy for you. If possible, then you can make the table. I think here given also in the last thing. I think. Wait a minute. I'll check it out. Yes, here. You see, this is also very easy. Okay, you can learn from here also. Let it be. As you feel comfortable, you will learn. You can learn. Okay. So, thank you so much. Next things we discussed later out. Thank you so much. Hope you will understand.